Do you ever want your mushrooms and other veggies to last longer? Well, I'm going to show you something you can do that's really easy and simple. I love taking mushrooms and red onions and pickling them. And this time I'm going to add a little bit of celery to it because, like most people, it's hard to use up all of your veggies before they start to go bad on you. I chopped up all of my baby Bella mushrooms, my shiitake mushrooms, the celery, and the red onion. The onion skins and the top and bottom of the onion go into my kitchen compost, which I then transfer to my veggie garden in the springtime. I did a whole video on what I do with all of my kitchen scraps and how good they are for your garden and how you can start now for your veggie garden in 2023. I picked two different jars. I think I'm going to start with this one. It has the ball lid on it. I rinsed them out. You can see there's still water in them. And then I have my vinegar. And this is just regular vinegar that you buy at the store. I happen to get this, one from Kroger. I will put the veggies into the jar and then just fill it up with vinegar. This is part of an open collab. I encourage anybody who sees this video to make their own pickled veggies and film it, and then let me know, and I will add it to the playlist. There's going to be a playlist, and all you have to do is then grab the link to that playlist, put that in the description of your video, and make sure to mention Pertaining to Rose, Starts with Coffee Adventures, and Green Bee Explorer in the description of your video. You can either comment on this video as you're watching it, putting the link to your video once it's ready, or you can go to my community tab and find where I have the open invite for the collaboration and put the link there, and I will then add it to the playlist. So I actually had enough of the veggies to fill both jars, and now I just have to put in the vinegar and then put it in the refrigerator, and it takes about a week for it to get pickled, and then after that you can start eating it. And I'm telling you, it is such an easy way to use up your veggies. I poured all the vinegar in, and as you can see, the items tend to float to the top. I think I put a little too much vinegar in this one. I should have maybe had a little less vinegar, but that's okay. And now I just pop them in the fridge and let them turn into pickled veggies. There is so many different combinations you can make of this. You can put any veggies you like into it, but it's a good way to use up your fresh veggies. Thank you for watching.